Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to open Snapchat camera settings. To do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. So once you are there, you'll find this camera right here. So if you want to find your camera settings, there is no additional camera settings in Snapchat. So what you need to do is just to tap on this arrow on the top right and you'll find all the camera settings you need in your Snapchat. You can use your flash, sounds, multi-snap, timer, director mode, tone, focus, grid, etc. And if you want more filters, you have to swipe, and you can find lots of recently used filters, favorites, for you, aesthetic, new, or trending characters, and you can also find tools. And for video, mask, Bitmoji, anything, you can just find it in here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.